From NBC26, weather with meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
It's been dry so far tonight, but we do have rain and thunderstorms now working into northeast Wisconsin. You can see some of this rain is pretty heavy. We're also getting some strikes of lightning in there as well, but nothing severe. That's some good news. But if you're at Country USA that kicked off today, we have the rain really starting to push in. It's going to be moving on in here, starting light at first and then turning heavy. Dierks Bentley is the headliner, takes the stage at 11. It looks pretty soggy, but the good news is there's not much lightning showing up in the area right now. So hopefully we can get that last concert of the evening in before things really start to get a little bit rough out there. We do have, again, heavier rain off to the west, even some thunderstorms as well. This will gradually, though, fall apart as it moves through northeast Wisconsin. But still, we're going to get some heavy rain out of this. Some areas picking up maybe more than ½ an inch in some spots. Here you can see on future radar that area of heavy rain, even some lightning being embedded in here. Nothing severe, but there could be some gusty winds at times. And then this thing will all push out of here as we go towards the end of the morning commute tomorrow. So by 7 o'clock, a lot of the activity pushes off to the north and east, and we're going to get a bit of a break in the action, but more storms will develop as we move into tomorrow afternoon into the evening hours. Out there right now in Green Bay, it's 67 degrees, quiet. It's also quiet in Appleton, 66, an east wind at 8 miles per hour. Here's a look at temperatures across northeast Wisconsin. It's 60 in Kewaunee, 66 for you folks in Shawano, 62 up in Mountain. We're at 64 in Clintonville, 67 degrees right now in Oshkosh, and 68 in Wautoma. Wind speeds out of the east and northeast. These will switch to the southeast and become breezy for tomorrow, pumping in some humidity. Out ahead of this storm system, we're getting the first wave that'll work on through tonight into early tomorrow. But then the system will still be close by and will spark some more storms tomorrow afternoon. There'll be plenty of moisture to work with. You can see dew points in the 60s and even 70s to the south. You will notice an increase in humidity for tomorrow. Here's a look at that severe threat in the yellow shaded area. A slight risk for severe storms. The main impacts from any storms that could develop, a few of these could go severe with damaging winds, some hail possible, maybe an isolated tornado. We can't rule that out. Heavy rain and also vivid lightning. And we will keep you posted, of course. Plenty of events going on tomorrow. We have the farmers market in the Broadway district of Green Bay. Looks like not too bad at 3 o'clock, but once we get towards 5 and then into 7 o'clock as well, there will be the increased chance for some storms, and some of those could be on the strong side. Also, we have the second day of Country USA tomorrow. Neil McCoy at 6 o'clock. Could be pretty stormy for that concert. Looks like things will quiet down, though, by the time Thomas Rhett takes the stage at 11 o'clock. Here's a look at your forecast, though. 58 degrees tonight. Those rain and storms working on in as we go through the overnight hours. Then for tomorrow, we'll get a bit of a break, a mix of sun and clouds, and depending on how much sunshine we see, that will determine how severe those storms get tomorrow afternoon. It will be breezy as well. Some areas will get into the lower 80s tomorrow, but most of us will at least climb into the 70s. On Thursday, things turning much quieter, mostly cloudy. Lower 70s for highs, 82 on Friday, up to 85 on Saturday. And look at the weekend for Father's Day, upper 80s, maybe some spots getting into the 90s. So some heat this weekend, but also some dry weather. We'll catch a break from what looks to be an active 24 hours here. So again, just keep an eye to the sky tomorrow. We'll keep you posted. We also have our interactive radar on NBC26.com, a great tool here, and our app as well.
And you're always on Facebook, Twitter. You're always going to let viewers know what's going on.
Yeah, with so many events going on in the summer, we'll keep everybody covered and posted.
All right, thanks, Matt.